start.
I'm behind you. Right, so we're gonna raid this place, kill everyone. That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Then I'll grab this helicopter. You get in some car near it.
Okay.
You drive over there. I'll fly over there.
Okay.
You do ground support and I'll do top flying support.
Okay.
Then I'll land, putting you on the ground.
Okay.
This place, I'll head around here.
Okay.
You just jump down, get to the vantage point of here.
Okay.
Then tell me when you're on the ground.
Okay.
I'll let you jump first.
Right. I'm at the advantage point.
If you get seen, just don't die.
Heavy.
Approach on the rocket launchers.
Okay.
Still nothing. That's obvious.
You down. Reloading.
Right. Some ground control officer and a heavy.
Okay.
Two patrol officers. Two patrol officers and Owen.
You down.
One patrol officer down.
Okay. Gonna follow behind the soldier. CQB. You down. You down.
Oh, come on. One patrol officer down. One patrol officer escaped.
Heading down.
One heavy down. Good job. Down.
Huh? Get here! The hostiles are here! Enemies incoming!
Pressure's off.
One. Snow heavy down.
Guard the perimeter!
Changing positions. I'm falling.
I'm moving on the enemy! Taking my shot! Hit confirmed!
Knife it. Heavy down.
Stay low!
Snow's coming.
Keep it up!
One down. to the helicopter. Back to turret. No,
Turret near me. Turret near me.
Reload.
Right. Going closer. It's a massacre. Inside being cleared.
Going downstairs. Thank you.
One invisible down. Two invisible down.
Blown up 2 vehicles. Heavy vehicles. 3, 2, 1.
I'm in combat.
Big house.
Area secured. It belongs to the outcasts now.
Area's been secured. Healing up.
Let's get the next area.
Vito, it's Nomad. Mission accomplished. The data farm is ready for the outcasts.
Thanks to you, priceless data has
Kenya.
been preserved. Now we have the upper hand for the upcoming international negotiations.
What about the helicopter?
The Bodarks managed to
We
get
don't
hold
need
of
it.
some data. It's impossible to know just what.
I'm sure that'll bite us in the ass at some point. Data we uncovered points to a significant Bodark structure. Can't
Drive around these guys are friendlies.
It looks like a recording studio. What the fuck do the Bodarks need a recording studio for?
Beats me. I'll look into it. Nomad out.
Move. Close to.
Oh crap. Slippery.
I'm hopping off here. Doesn't matter if we're going loud or quiet. Suppress is back on.
Try to be stealthy.
Try. Won't matter.
Sam's. Big snowstorm. Which will also head out.
Gonna take out the mortar. That's a rocketeer. Careful.
It's a heavy rocketeer.
Gonna take him out.
You take off his helmet, shoot him.
It's fine.
Or try and knife him.
Я нашел.
Disabling Sam's.
Taking out these two.
Get down!
Nothing is not there.
Woods, you try clear this area.
Invisible down.
Same here. Nothing suspicious.
Yeah, helicopter.
Two patrol officers down. Of course, it made us delete. Cool.
Heavy down.
They knew goddamn well there's nothing out here. I knew no one.
You down. Upper back there. Picking out Sam.
Move on up to the...
Pick out water first.
Clara.
Snow.
That door really doesn't want to be open. Helicopter
out.
on me.
Yeah. Take the truck. See 2 more. Remember who get out again. Take out Sam.
Oh, that seems clear to me.
Yeah. Good.
The hostiles killed Nikolai.
Nikolai.
How many left?
All finished.
Huh?
Yes. Get to Axel. I'll drive.
Okay. A car with a helicopter.
Car.
Okay.
Too many Sams. I'm not sure which one's to save on the map.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
I'm coming over.
Other side.